If you're considering using the TrustPaisa loan app for quick financial assistance, it's crucial to understand its features, benefits, and potential drawbacks. Here's an in-depth review to help you make an informed decision. What is TrustPaisa? TrustPaisa is a digital lending platform operated by Flexi Digital Tech India Pvt Limited, offering instant personal loans ranging from 1,000 to 100,000. The application process is entirely online, promising quick approvals and disbursals. The platform collaborates with NBFC partner Tanveer Bros Pvt Limited to facilitate these loans. Key features: loan amounts and tenure. Users can apply for loans between 1,000 and 100,000, with repayment periods ranging from 3 to 12 months. Interest rates. Interest rates vary between 18 to 36% per annum, depending on the borrower's profile and loan terms. Processing fees. A processing fee ranging from 2 to 10% of the loan amount is applicable. APR. The annual percentage rate, APR, which includes interest and fees, ranges from 24 to 80%. Disbursal time. Once approved, the loan amount is typically credited to the user's bank account within 2 hours. Application process. 1. Download the app, available on the Google Play Store. 2. Registration. Register using your mobile number and provide necessary permissions. 3. Profile completion. Fill in personal details and upload KYC documents including PAN card and address proof. 4. Loan selection. Choose the desired loan amount and tenure. 5. Agreement. Review and sign the loan agreement digitally. 6. Disbursal. Upon approval, the loan amount is transferred to your bank account. User experience. Many users appreciate the app's straightforward interface and rapid loan processing. The digital nature of the application process eliminates the need for physical paperwork, making it convenient for users seeking quick funds. Regulatory compliance. TrustPaisa operates in partnership with Tanveer Bros Pvt Limited, an NBFC registered with the Reserve Bank of India, RBI. This collaboration ensures that the lending practices adhere to regulatory standards. Pros and cons. Pros: quick processing, fast approval and disbursal process. Digital convenience, entirely online application and repayment process. Flexible loan options, variety of loan amounts and tenures to suit different needs. Cons: high APR. The combined interest and fees can lead to a high APR, increasing the total repayment amount. Processing fees. Additional charges can add to the cost of the loan. Is TrustPaisa legitimate? Based on the information available, TrustPaisa appears to be a legitimate digital lending platform operating in compliance with Indian financial regulations through its NBFC partner. However, potential borrowers should carefully review the loan terms, especially the interest rates and processing fees, to ensure they are comfortable with the total repayment amount. Final thoughts. TrustPaisa offers a convenient solution for individuals seeking quick personal loans without the hassle of traditional banking procedures. While the platform provides fast and accessible financial assistance, it's essential to be mindful of the associated costs. Always read the fine print, understand the total repayment obligations, and ensure timely repayments to maintain a good credit score. If you've used TrustPaisa or have insights about your experience, feel free to share in the comments below. Your feedback can help others make informed decisions.